Hi guys, it's your girl again, and on today's video we will be doing a makeup tutorial. Show you guys how I go by doing my makeup. First off, what I usually do is that I use my Miscellar water, which is from Neutrogena. I usually use this brand because I love the hydration it gives to my face. Cleanse out like the excess oil. Face is completely cleansed. I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. With the brand I use the Moisture Bond because I just like how the products hydrates my skin, especially when I'm doing my base for my makeup. Usually I go in with my hand when I'm doing this process. Gel spray. But now that this is dry, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. lip oil. Honestly guys, I feel like for every girl you should have this in your bag because I just love how it just plumps my lips and just hydrates it. e.l.f. is really doing a lot. The Aloe Glow liquid filter by e.l.f. Yes, I don't know, I've been using e.l.f. lately and I'm loving each brand that they give. One of it is this brand. I just like how it gives my makeup like that glow from within, especially when I'm done with the full look. If I don't put highlighter or other things, it just pops like that. Just a little bit, not too much, not too intense. You see what I'm saying? Like, look at how it's like I put highlighter on that area and I didn't put any highlighter or anything. No, guys, another trick I've learned is that don't put it under your under eye. It was really creasing my concealer when I put that application there. Look at this. Just look at how it's like popping. When you just put your foundation there, it's like it's giving that pop that you need. It's on, like I'm on my nose region, on my forehead, my T-zones, like everywhere, like as if you're applying your foundation. It's just the same way. Like e.l.f. is really doing it. Like I've turned into an e.l.f. girl just like this guys, and I'm already an e.l.f. girl. Now that I'm done with this application, it's time for my foundation. I'm going to be using the V Beauty. Guys, do you know that this foundation, the time I got this product was 2022 till now, it's still last year, this 2024, and I'm someone that uses my products really well, and I've used it a lot of times and it's still lasting till date. It's crazy guys. So guys, now I'm layering my foundation on my face for the contouring, which I'm going to use my Avor Cosmetics. I don't know if they have this brand still because it's around for 2 years and it's still doing its thing for me, so I'm going to use it now for my contouring. So guys, there's a trick that I learned about this contouring. Like literally you just put your arm like in like this area like this, then just go in like this, like that. You see the lift that it will give your face the same way. Just like that. The nose region. Just the remaining one. With that, I go in straight with my Charlotte Tilbury hair spray. I just like this setting spray. I decided to get the small size because I wanted to try it out and see how like it would be on my makeup. But once I got this, I never regretted it. It has given me the hydration that I do need with my makeup. And I like using this because it just a look that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go in with this. Yeah, I'm gonna use my beauty sponge.
Hey guys, so it's time for the blending. Yes, you would need to blend every part to make sure that you're getting the perfect contour process in which you need. So it's very important to do this process.
Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? That's what I'm telling you. With makeup, you need to like take your time. Don't rush, because when you rush it, you just blending application is very important. Because you don't want that look to be looking how you don't want it to be. So yeah,
when that makeup is giving what it's meant to give, you need to strike a pose and just like let it go. So now I'm just trying to blend in every part so that there's no excess, everything is as it's meant to be. So now I'm going to go with my blush. I decided to Maybelline matte lipstick. Guys, when I was using this, I was literally scared because usually for blush, you would, like for a beginner, I would advise using the cream lipstick or blush or whatever you want to use for your blush. I decided to do matte. I wanted to see if I would be able to manipulate the blush process, but guys, I got it. Like, I loved the process. I loved how it made me look. It was giving the strawberry makeup look and it was nice. Now I'm going in with my concealer. It's just highlighting the areas that you would want it to pop, like your under eye, your nose region, the side of your cheeks, your chin, your forehead, your nose region. So just basic places that needs to have the pop that you would want, especially when you're doing your makeup. I just needed an extra pop, so I decided to use the e.l.f. concealer just to highlight some little places. Nothing too much, just some parts that I do need. So now it's time for blending. So yes, you need to blend all the areas that you've highlighted. I would advise using a brush for this because using a beauty sponge, usually sometimes the beauty sponge like sucks in like your concealer, but this just layers it how you want it to be and to get that pop. You know that London girly makeup look? Yes. If you want to get that look, this is the process that you need to go, especially if you want that concealer to pop more. So everything is just application and blending. Once you get used to it, once you're practicing, you start getting better and you start giving that look that you've always wanted and grow. Because I'm also growing. So now we're going with our setting powder, which I'm using the Morph setting powder, which I do like and I recommend also. I just want to set those places that I've highlighted so that I'm able to get the look I want. Then I had to just use a little bit of my contour on the areas that I just needed to have the angle that I'm looking for while blending every area that I do need for it to pop. After the blending process, I like going in with my setting spray just so everything just sets properly. Then I go with my Anastasia gel brow so my brows are laid properly because it's time to do the brows. Once I'm done with that process, then I put my setting powder on my brow so it's not so oily. Then I go with my brow tint in the color shade brown. After, it's time to conceal the layers of the brow so the brow pops properly, and I'm just doing the application there and also blending. I also use my powder puff in doing this because I just like that it just layers the concealer where I want it to be without taking in any products from it. So that's the process I'm doing at the moment. After we're done blending, so I put in my setting powder on those parts so it doesn't smudge away or look oily, but just gives that matte look that you are looking for. So after, I'm just doing like blending, putting in my blush in the areas that I've put in the liquid blush, the matte lipstick blush on. So I'm just making sure that every part is being blushed, I would say. Then I put a little bit of the highlighter on the areas that I do need. Then the setting spray again so that everything just like goes in together. Now it's time for the lippy combo. I'm going in with the same matte lipstick by Maybelline. I really would recommend that brand. I just love the pop that it gives to my lips. Then after, I just do the final setting, just a little bit, not too much, on just those concealed areas so that it just gives that highlighted pop that you do need for your makeup. And I put it also on the nose region and other areas that needs done. Then after, I just use like my brush to clear off all excess powders on my face. I'm going straight with my mascara, which I use the e.l.f. lash extension. Guys, this is like my second time buying this brand, and I would say that it just gives the effects that you do need. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm saying, but it's like as if I'm putting like a false lash when it's my lash. So I just use that to make sure that the mascara goes in my lash and it gives that pop that I do need for my lashes. So guys, that's all for today. As you can see how my makeup looks so fresh. So you can try this if you need your everyday matte look. Thank you so much for watching this far and do have an awesome day.